Cleaning your home should be a seamless and efficient process, but often it can feel like a daunting task, especially when dealing with various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. This BISSELL Zing lightweight bagged canister vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, benefits, and reasons why the BISSELL Zing is a must-have addition to your cleaning arsenal. The BISSELL Zing bagged canister vacuum is known for its lightweight and compact design. Weighing just under 8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver around your home. Whether you're cleaning upstairs, downstairs, or moving from room to room, the BISSELL Zing ensures that you will not be bogged down by a heavy machine. Imagine effortlessly gliding through your home, cleaning every nook and cranny without breaking a sweat. The BISSELL Zing makes this a reality. One of the standout features of the BISSELL Zing is its powerful variable suction. This allows you to easily transition from cleaning carpets to hard floors with the flip of a switch. The multi-surface floor tool is designed to handle various types of debris, ensuring that your floors are spotless regardless of the surface type. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for homes with a mix of flooring. With powerful suction and easy transition between surfaces, the BISSELL Zing takes the hassle out of cleaning different floor types. The BISSELL Zing features a large 25L capacity dust bag that is easy to remove and replace. This bag design eliminates the mess and hassle often associated with bagless vacuums. When the bag is full, simply remove it and replace it with a new one, no more dealing with clouds of dust while emptying. Navigating around furniture and tight spaces can be challenging with many vacuums, but not with the BISSELL Zing. Its swivel steering capability allows for easy movement around obstacles, ensuring that you can clean even the most cluttered rooms with ease. Tired of bumping into furniture and getting stuck in corners? The BISSELL Zing's swivel steering ensures smooth, effortless maneuvering. The BISSELL Zing comes with a range of specialized tools designed to enhance your cleaning experience. The crevice tool is perfect for tight spaces and corners, while the dusting brush is ideal for soft surfaces and delicate items. Additionally, the telescopic wand extends your reach, making it easier to clean high and low areas. From tight spaces to high shelves, BISSELL Zing's specialized tools make it versatile enough to handle any cleaning challenge. One of the most convenient features of the BISSELL Zing is its automatic cord rewind. With the push of a button, the 15-foot power cord retracts into the vacuum, making storage quick and easy. No more winding and unwinding the cord manually. This feature saves you time and effort. The BISSELL Zing is equipped with an air flow regulator that allows you to customize the suction power based on your cleaning needs. This feature is particularly useful when transitioning from delicate surfaces to more robust cleaning tasks, ensuring that you have the right amount of power for every job. Maintenance is simple with the BISSELL Zing, thanks to its washable and reusable filters. The pre-motor and post-motor filters capture fine dust and particles, improving the air quality in your home. When it's time to clean the filters, simply wash them and reuse, reducing the need for frequent replacements. When you purchase a BISSELL product, you're also supporting a noble cause. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. Knowing that your purchase contributes to this mission adds an extra layer of satisfaction to owning a BISSELL Zing. Clean your home while making a difference. Every BISSELL purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Conclusion: the BISSELL Zing lightweight bagged canister vacuum is a powerful, versatile, and convenient cleaning tool that makes maintaining a spotless home easier than ever. With features like powerful suction, multi-surface cleaning, swivel steering, and specialized tools, it addresses all your cleaning needs efficiently. The bag design, automatic cord rewind, and washable filters add to its convenience, making it a top choice for any household. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, the BISSELL Zing is an excellent investment. Transform your cleaning routine and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with the BISSELL Zing Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. Transform your cleaning experience with the BISSELL Zing Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.